Choosing the right door for your home can be as challenging as building a home itself. Factors like safety, security, style, and durability must be considered before buying a door. What if you could get all of them in one segment of doors? Yes. Steel door designs offer well-rounded protection to your house, along with giving impressive looks. While other materials like wood and PVC have their own pros and cons, the potential benefits of steel doors make them a wise option. These doors do not rot and neither do they succumb to the weather conditions. If you are keen on knowing more about them, read along as we discuss the various types, buying tips, and 10 latest designs in this segment. What are the different types of steel doors? Steel door designs have always been stereotyped for their use in banks and safety lockers. This is, however, not true. There are various types of steel doors for home and offices to suit different purposes. Collapsible steel doors. These are fabricated doors used primarily for security purposes. They use very limited space and move on wheels on rails connected to top and bottom. Hollow metal doors. These doors are used in commercial spaces. They have a core filled with different materials for better insulation and durability. Corrugated steel doors. They are commonly used in residential buildings for exteriors like garages, barns. Sliding steel doors. They are operated on a rail to slide sideways. These doors can either come in solid steel or with a combination of glass. Points to consider before buying steel doors. Here's an expert buying guide to help you choose the perfect steel door for your home or office. Analyze the purpose of the door. What are you planning to achieve with the door? Security, beauty, strength. Answers to these questions can help you decide if the steel is the right material for your door. Aesthetics are not to be overlooked. You need to make sure that the door you pick blends with the rest of the theme. Ask your interior designer to help you design a unique door with a combination of wood or glass. Security is of top priority. While steel doors are highly secure, choosing the right density and quality of materials can optimize your investment. Stay away from cheap, locally made doors, or they are prone to high risks of breakdowns. Everything boils down to budget. Speak to the executive about your budget and ask for relevant options. This can help you get a good deal without burning a hole in the pocket. Latest steel door designs in India. Here are our 10 simple and best steel door images with detailed descriptions. Let's have a look into them. 1. Steel front door design. Check out this mirror finish steel door for your entrance point. This premium looking door is sure to leave your visitors in awe with its stunningly elegant design. Along with stylish looks, the dual open door also offers great functionality in terms of operation and security. Even when closed, the door makes for an awesome welcome point to your place. Here is an American-style stainless steel sliding door that can uplift the beauty of your interiors. The sturdy steel frame is affixed with glass panels to allow better ventilation and visibility. It is operated on a top rail which seamlessly closes with an easy push. This door also works well as a room divider, or even for your sit-outs. This steel door is specially designed for commercial spaces to provide additional safety and security. It is a double open hinged door that opens wide to allow vehicles and material into the area. A special locking mechanism secures the place to prevent unwanted intrusions. You can opt for this door for go-downs and storehouses. Steel doors work quite well for residential areas as well. With such a variety of designs available, choosing the perfect one for your home is not so easy. Here are one such steel door designs for home, which is crafted to perfection. The door has tiny square panels which are fixed with frosted glass for enhanced beauty and ventilation. Get a panoramic view of the surrounding with this large French door. Made with a steel frame and glass, this door is sure to enhance the glamour of your home and create a luxurious feel. The two sides of the door are fixed while the center doors are movable to open and close. You can even try small designs depending on the size of the entrance. Stainless steel is synonymous to strength and safety. This is why it is the most preferred material for security doors. Here is one such door, which can act as the first entry point to your home.